Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video is about the color eyedropper tool. I started thinking I would be pretty cool to have a hotkey for the color eyedropper tool. And at that time, I realized when you go to your Smart Fill tool and grab right there, it says color eyedropper tool. But it's the same one that's right here that's the color eyedropper tool. And what that does, let me get off that. Let's say you have a red and you make it a different, let's make it a blue, and then hold down the control button and add a little dark blue to it. So you made your own color, but you want everything else to do that color. Well, you can go to the color eyedropper tool, take a sample, and it works just like the Smart Fill tool. It will fill them all in. And then when you want to click off that, just hit your pick tool and you've got all those colors the same. So I've already made a hotkey for it, but I thought I'd show people if they want to make a hotkey for it. Because, okay, if you're going to use a Smart Fill tool, you've got to click on the Smart Fill tool and then open that up and then click on here and get the eyedropper, or you've got to go over here, click one, get the eyedropper. So let's make a hotkey for that. So I've already made one, but I can change it. I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization. And right up here at top, I'm going to type in color eyedropper. And I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go to shortcut keys. And you can see I've already made it alternate E. Let's say I don't like that. So let's try type in the new one. Let's go alternate Q. It's not taking anything. Well, it is. It's snap off. Okay, there we go. Q. Just a one-letter stroke. You'll have to remember that, but it's pretty easy. And then hit OK, assign, and then hit OK. So now, when we want to get the color eyedropper tool, I'm just going to hit the letter Q. The eyedropper comes up, and I can do that right there. I did not know that they were two different ones. You can see now, if you ever forget, well, there's the Q. And I mean, it's going to save you or save me a lot of time because I was constantly going to here. But I thought this was a little bit different than the Smart Fill tool, but it's not. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.